Okay, so in this section we'll be talking about the anchor tags. Anchor, and this is how we spell the anchor. ANCHOR. So the anchor tag, ANCHOR. This is how the tag is. Okay. Have you ever wondered how you click on something on a website and it takes you to another page? So, it's like a link. I hope you've thought of that. So they will say that click this button and say like go here, and so click this button and do this. So when you click on the button, let's say search on Google, like, it's a button where when you click on it, it takes you to Google's home page. Or um, I hope you get the idea. Let's see whether Mozilla has so for example, like this. Okay, so it says contact us. So when you click on it, it goes to the contact page of Mozilla. Have you ever thought of this? Have you ever thought of how it's done? How it's done? If you haven't, then let's continue. We're going to talk about anchor tags. Okay, and then mostly you hear them being referred to as A tags. The A tag. So I will delete this. No, actually I'll comment this out. And then A tags. So the anchor tag is written this way: a less than sign, and then an A. So see this: a less than sign, an A, and then it has an href. So href equals, let's leave it blank for now, and then a greater than sign. So to close up the tag, an a backslash a, and then this. So let's break down this tag. You can see here that we have something not similar to the tag that we have here, and that is this href. Okay, so this tag, the a here, this a tag is called the tag, and then this href is called an attribute. Okay, so this href is called an attribute. Like, let's say I hope you know what an attribute is. So if you don't, please look up the dictionary what are attributes. So let's continue. This href here is an attribute. Okay, just know that it's an attribute. It will make sense later on. So as I said earlier on, to write an anchor tag or an A tag, all you have to do is a less than A, and then href equals an empty string, or let's say an empty let's say 2 quotation marks or 1 quotation mark, then a greater than sign, and then you close off the tag here, there. So less than backslash A. And listen, what this does essentially is creating a link. Okay, so this A tag creates a link. So let's say you want to go to Google. I can type Google here, then say that is it. So I just click on it. So I'm expecting this link to take me to Google. So let's say click here to go to Google. So it says click here to go to Google. You've seen this on many sites, on many websites, where they say click here to go here, click here to go here, click here to go here. Listen, it doesn't go where it's supposed to go, because everything is here that it's supposed to go where the it doesn't go where it's supposed to go because it's written here. Okay, it doesn't work like magic. So to actually make this link work, so as of now, let's click on it. So click here to go to Google. It's doing nothing. So all you can see is a page refreshing. So it's doing nothing. All you can do is a page refresh. So all you can see is a page refreshing. So to actually make this link go to Google, you need to come into the href attribute and give it the address to Google. So https, then colon, then this slash google.com. So ahref. So ahref means this anchor tag or this A tag should go to this address. Okay, So A, and it means that, so this A and then this href here means that this address is where it should be sent to, and then this one is just the text for the user to know that click here to go to Google will take you to Google. So this one is just for information purpose, to just display something to the user. And let's say let's go to Google, and then it will do the same thing. So to actually go to Google, let's right click on this. So it says server not found, my internet connection, internet connection, try again. Oh, oops, no problem, my internet connection, but it will work. Okay, it will work. So see here the address of our web page is on 127.0 and then all this, but when we click on it here, so when you click on it, you see the address changes to https google.com. Okay, you see the address changes here on the top inside the address bar, it changes to google.com, and even in the error message it says we can't connect to the server at google.com. So that is how a link is created. So to create the anchor tag, all you have to do is less than a and then give it an href attribute. So href equals the location where it should go. So href equals, let's say https then backslash amazon.com, and then we close it here. Let's say take me to Amazon. Then let's refresh it here. Take me to Amazon. So when we click on it, you see the address changes here, https amazon.com. I have a problem with my network connection, my internet connection. That is why it's not coming. I'll check it and then fix it before I do the next episode. So let's create more anchor tags. So it's href equals https, let's say netflix.com. I don't know, yeah, netflix.com. Let's say take me to Netflix. Let's refresh over here. So it says taking to Amazon. So this link will take you to Amazon, and then this link will take you to Netflix. And what essentially is happening here for the second time is we are creating an a tag and then passing it an href attribute. So this href attribute holds the link to where it should go. Okay, so this href attribute is essentially doing the task after this link is being clicked on, or this element is being clicked on. So href equals https netflix.com. When you click on take me to Netflix, to take you to Netflix, see the address bar changes here to https netflix.com. See, let's change the name to, let's say, take me to BBC, and let's see whether the name we change will take us to BBC. So let's say take me to BBC. So I'm expecting that the address bar here, that the address in the URL bar changes to https bbc.com or bbc.co.uk, but when I click on it, it still changes to netflix.com. Okay, so all you have to know is that writing something here that take me to BBC isn't actually doing the job. Okay, the link here is the one doing the job. So let's say for example, let's sorry, oh, this is a typo. Let's say take me to my hometown. Okay, I'm expecting to take me to my hometown. So let me refresh. So it takes me to my hotel. So mysteriously or magically, if I click it, I'm expecting it to take me back to my hometown. So when I click on it, still it goes to netflix.com. So this href attribute is the link to where the page should be redirected to. Okay, so this href attribute, is the link. So to create a link, you use an anchor tag. So less than a, then you pass it an href attribute. So href equals the location or the link or the address where it should go. So https, let's say which website, let's say facebook.com. So you close it over here and say let's go to Facebook. I refresh over here. Sorry. I refresh over here. Let's go to Facebook. So when I click on it, see https facebook.com. So that is it. So that is all about anchor tags. Okay, that is all about anchor tags. So to create a link, you just open your a tag and pass in the href attribute. So the href attribute holds the link or the address where it will go. Okay, so play around with this tag and then hopefully you'll be familiar with it. So if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, share and subscribe. We will continue in the next episode. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.